Good morning, everyone. It is Fun Friday. Check out your Fun Friday writing prompt and be ready to share at 8:30. Spanish is at 9 today. We'll be together for all of us together at 9:45 in literacy. We will read Coyote School News. And at 11:30, we will start the 2 by 2 digit area model. We'll start out with a video and then we will do some practice problems. Today, I have one-on-ones with Francis at 11:40, 11:45, Daniela, then Luciana, Sophia, Akash, Jaden, Tiziana, Rafaela, and Anastasia. So check out your time on that last slide of the classwork PowerPoint. Let's make it a great Friday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.